Well, hey, welcome back. It's been a long time. It's been probably a year since I even turned on the lathe, and about 2 years since we turned this big chunk of walnut. I got a couple spindles I need to make for a rocking chair, and I need to warm up. So I figured, what's better than a 20-inch bowl? Probably not the smartest idea in the world, but hey, what do you expect? So let's get started, shall we? I can only get it to spin right now about 210 RPM without it shaking. I guess I could go past the first shake, but it kind of scares me. That ain't horrible. 380, we'll try that. All right, so always something. It's a big bowl. I need to change the belt settings. Let's give that a shot. I should have more torque, more power. Well, I guess I need to sharpen up a tool real quick. Good news is I got it sharp. Good, bad news is I tried to catch it when it slipped out of my hand. Got to give the lathe god some blood, apparently. Let's do it! Now, before y'all ask, I'm going uphill because that's the way the grain is rolling. It would be a lot easier to come from the top down, or even if I flipped it over to work that way, but I don't know what I'm going to do here yet, and I'm trying to get all the tear out. If I come this way, I get a whole lot of tear out because it's going against the grain. And that looks pretty good. Oh, it's got a little bridge right in here. I'm gonna try to bump out with a scraper and then see about hollowing it. Can you see that fuzzy stuff right here? It's the Cambium layer. It's good everywhere but right there. I might have to drown that in some CA. Pretty happy with that though, so a little ridge right there. Let me come back again with it. That's better. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that real quick. Drown that, see if we can get it harder. Alright, I hope you can see. So what would be considered the long grain come out really nice and smooth, where it turns into the cross grain or side grain here. Got some tool marks, a little bit of tear out. This side is worse. Still all the checking. I think these I'll be able to sand out, but I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the checks. So I don't know. But that's where we stand right now. Most of it's pretty. I should put some I'm gonna put some stuff on it and you can see it better. So just a little water. Doesn't make it pop. Should have used mineral spirits. You can see the difference though. Side grain nice. End grain not so much. All the water's gonna do is raise the grain a little bit. So when I do sand, it'll sound smoother anyhow. So that's not a big deal. So, I think I'm gonna do some hollowing before I do any sanding, just in case I tear it apart. And nobody likes to sand. I need to get my hollowing skills back up to par. Woo! Alright, so I didn't much care for the straight tool rest trying to get the bottom of the bowl, so I went and made this. So we're gonna check that out, see if it works. Looks like I gotta charge my battery now though. So, minor break. Let that cool down. But I guess we can test it real quick before it dies. I believe that's gonna work. Break time.